Assalamu alaikum dear students. Welcome to NIVS Home School. I hope you all are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Here I am Kamrul Nahar, Assistant Teacher of National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. My dear students of class 8, today I am going to take your Bangladesh and Global Studies class. So all of you take your Bangladesh and Global Studies book. And our today's topic is chapter 11. And we will discuss lesson 1 and 2 from this chapter. And the name of this chapter is the minority ethnic groups of Bangladesh, and all of you go to page 127. So I hope all of you have taken your book, and let's start our class. And we know that now look, there are different types of ethnic groups in our country, and they live in different places in our country, and we will know about the geographical location of Bangladeshi minority ethnic groups. And you can ask, why do they call the ethnic groups? And the tribal people are those people who who have different languages and their culture from our country. And we are Bangladeshis, we speak in Bangla, and our culture is totally different from them, and they speak in different languages, and their culture is different, their religion is different, and they are minority group. And among them, the Chakma is the largest ethnic groups in our country, and then comes the Marma, and the third one is the Tripura. And let's know about their geographical position. Where do they live in our country? And the minority ethnic groups living in southeastern part of Rangamati, Bandarban and Khagrachari are Chakma, Marma, Tripura, Mru, Tanjanga, Baun, Pankha, Chak, Khang, Khumi and Lusai. That means these ethnic groups live in the southeastern part of our country. And there are other ethnic groups who live in Greater Mymensingh, and who are they? The Garo, the Hadong and the Koch ethnic groups live in Greater Mymensingh. And there are other ethnic groups who live in Greater Sylhet, like the Khasi and the Manipuri minority ethnic groups live in Greater Sylhet. And there are other ethnic groups who live in the district of Dinajpur, Rangpur, Rajshahi, Bogura and Pabna. And who are they? Santal, Orao, Mahali, Manda, Malpahari, Malo, etc. That means these people lives in the district of Dinajpur, Rangpur, Rajshahi, Bogura and Pabna. And that means the northwestern part of our country. And besides them, the Rakhine lives in the Cox's Bazar, Patuakhali and Borguna districts. And there are other ethnic groups, that is minority ethnic groups. They are Dalu, Hodi, Rajbangshi, Patra, Barman, Banai, Pahan, Mahto, Kol, etc. And these ethnic groups live in the different parts of our country, that means different districts in our country. Now we will go to lesson 2, and today we will know about the ethnic group Chakmas. And the Chakmas are, anthropologically the Chakmas are Mongolian. That means their body and body structure and looks like the Mongolians, and their face is round, and they have flat nose, and they have black and straight hair, which is similar to the Mongolians. And in ancient times, the Mongolian peoples live in this part of our live in this part of this subcontinent. And the Chakmas live at Tripura, Mizoram and Arunachal in India. That means besides Bangladesh, the Chakmas live in India, and the places are Tripura, Mizoram and Arunachal. Now we will know about the social life of the Chakmas. And the in social life, the Chakma family is the fundamental part of their society. And some Chakma families form Adam or Para. And Karbari is the head of this Para, who maintains this para, and some paras make moja, and the chief of this moja is called headman, and some mojas or several mojas make chakma circle, and the chakma circle, I mean the head of this chakma circle is the chakma king, and the chakma king, I mean there is a hereditary, that means the chakma king ascended from his ancestor, that means I mean his father is also the king, and the king of the father is also the king, I mean his forefathers or his ancestors is also the king, or come from a royal family. And the Chakma society is patriarchal, and that means the father is the head of this family, and then mother comes in the position, and after mother eldest son is in the position. Now economical life, and agriculture is the main livelihood of the Chakmas, that means their economy is depend on agriculture, and their cultivation method is called jhum, and jhum is a process, and jhum is a cultivation process, and it is also called slash and burn cultivation, and in this process a piece of forest land is cleared by cleared by burning, and after burning, I mean there will be some potassium or other minerals to enrich the soil, so that the crops can sustain in the hilly areas. Now religious life, and the Chakmas are Buddhist, that means they are the follower of Gautam Buddha, and they celebrate the birth and death anniversary of Gautam Buddha and the Boishakhi Purnima. Now look, the Chakmas celebrate the birth and death and anniversaries of Gautam Buddha and the dawn of Buddha as Boishakhi Purnima, and they fly balloons on the night of Maghi Purnima at their pagoda temple or Kiang, and the Chakma temples are called Kiang, and in every para there will be a Kiang, I mean you will find a Kiang in every para or Adam. Now their cultural life. Now look, the Chakma with their own clothes, I mean using a machine called Tat, and the Chakma girls wear Pinan and Hadi. Now I want to show you the book. All of you go to page 229. Now look, there is a picture of the Chakmas, I mean they wear traditional dress of Chakmas. Now look, this dress is called Pinan and Hadi, and the Chakma men wear their traditional dress like shirts and dhutis, and their shirt is made of thread, and the Chakma men wear dhuti, gamcha and a pagri on their head. This is their traditional dress, but at present they put on shirts, pants and lungi. And now look, the Chakmas can make beautiful baskets, fans, combs, flutes and musical instruments with bamboo and cane. That means they are good at making baskets, fans, combs and musical instruments, and they also like music, and their staple food or main food is rice. Rice is the staple food of the Chakmas, like ours main food is rice, and we like to eat rice with fish, meat and vegetables, and the Chakmas also like to have their rice with fish, milk and vegetable, but their favorite food is bash korol, which is made of young bamboo stick, and they make different types of food with bash korol. It tastes different, but it is very tasty. The Chakmas play hadadu, wrestling and gila khara, that means, and the Chakma young girls play bouchi, and they celebrate Biju festivals, and the Biju festivals it lasts the Biju festival lasts 2 days of, I mean they celebrate this festival on the last 2 days of and the first days of the Bengali year. So what do we learn from them? That means that social life of the Chakma depends on the Chakma families, and the Chakma families make Adam or Para, and the chief of this Para is called Karbari, and then some Paras make Mauza, and the chief of this Mauza is called the headman, and the Karbari and the headman combinedly maintain peace and harmony in the Chakma society, and several Mauza makes Chakma circle, and the head of the Chakma circle is the Chakma king, and the society is patriarchal. That means father is the head of this family, and they cultivated their cultivation method is called Zoom. That means their economy it depends on the agriculture, and they are the follower of Buddha. That means they are Buddhist, and their main festivals are what? Boishakhi Purnima, Maghi Purnima, and they also celebrate the birth and death anniversary of Gautam Buddha, and they wear Pinan. The girls were the Chakma girls wear Pinan and Hadi, and the Chakma men. Nowadays Chakma men put on shirts, pants, and lungi, and they made furnitures. Not furnitures or baskets or fans, combs, flutes, musical instruments with bamboo and cane, and their main food is rice, but their favorite food is bashkaro, and they like to play different types of games, especially hadudu, wrestling, and gila khara, and their main festival is Biju, and they celebrate this festival on the last 2 and the first day of the Bengali year. Now there is a homework for you, knowledge based question. You will go through these 2 lessons, lesson 1 and 2, then you will write your own answer, and you will write the answer with 1 complete sentence. And what are the questions? What is the fundamental part in Chakma society? Number 2, who is Karbari? Number 3, what is the favorite food of Chakma? Number 4, what is the name of the main festival of the Chakma? Number 5, who is the head of the Chakma family? So my dear students, that's all for today, and I hope you have understood our today's topic, and I have just summarized these 2 lessons, lesson 1 and 2 from chapter 11. So you will go through lesson 1 and 2 again and again, then you will do your homework, and do your homework regularly because it is very much important. And now you can ask me why. Because your CT, SP, SBA and diary marks will be given on the basis of the submission of your homework copies. So be regular in doing your homework, and you can submit your homework on every Sunday within 8 AM to 4 PM. And so stay safe and listen to your parents. See you again. Allah Hafiz.